This 2024 Airstream Globetrotter 25FB Twin is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Savannah, Georgia, 31324 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Natural Elm with Barcelona Blue interior, sleeps 4, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.